What's up, y'all? Good morning. It's your girl Keiko, and I'm back with another morning motivation, period. So in this morning's video, I do want to talk about mental health. Mental health is very real, okay? And if you guys see me looking off to the side, it's because I had to take notes for this specific morning motivation. So y'all just bear with me. Okay, so mental health is real, and I just want to give you guys tips on how to, I don't want to say deal with your mental health, but actually adjust to your mental health issues. So the first thing that I want to say to you guys is to always make sure that you take time out for yourself, especially parents. I know parenting can be hard. Parenting is like a job within itself. It's like a 100-hour shift, 365 days a year. Taking time out for yourself will help you stay grounded. It creates a balance in your life because you don't want to walk around doing absolutely nothing. You don't also want to walk around doing too much or having too much on your plate as well. That can definitely mess with your mental. Another thing that I do want to say in reference to taking time out for yourself is do things that you enjoy doing, your passions, the things that you love, things that makes your heart skip a beat, the things that gives you butterflies, the things that feed your subconscious is what I'm saying. Doing the thing that basically feeds your subconscious and opens up your core memory. Also, I do want to say with doing that, please take it one day at a time and one thing at a time. Do not try to start 15 different things and never finish them. That is one thing that I had to learn myself, is to work on one thing at a time and get it done and then move on to the next thing. It is not good to start a lot of things at one time because it creates confusion and you'll just never get it done because you're gonna feel like I got time, so let me just go back to it whenever I want to. Don't work like that, y'all. Also, I do want to say within doing that, you guys, it is okay to meditate. Meditating is a great form of mental health soothing. You open your third eye chakra, which means you opening up your conscience to the things around you. You're becoming one with the universe. You're becoming one with everything and everyone around you by opening that third eye chakra. It's also called your mind's eye. A lot of people say, oh, it's not good to open up your third eye, but you guys have to understand that you are born with your third eye open. It is your conscience, period. It just takes time for you to learn and understand what it means, if that makes sense. By doing this will open up your third eye chakra, and it is going to be for reception of abundance, if that makes sense. Also, I do want to say that your day is always whatever you make it. Your day is based off of how you look at today. Your day is based off of your intentions for that day. So if you set the tone to have a great productive day, that is what you'll have, and you stay focused on that. It is whatever you make it. Your day is whatever you make it. Your life is whatever you make it. And I also want to say that don't think that the grass is always greener on the other side, because that's not always true. The grass is only green where you water it. If you don't feed it, it won't grow. I heard someone say recently, you don't just plant a flower and leave it there. You have to water it if you want it to grow. You don't just plant it and just leave it there and let it do its own things. Some things you have to put that work in to achieve what you're looking for, to achieve the goal that you're trying to get to. So if you don't feed it, it won't grow. And also, if you don't use it, you will lose it. So whatever your talent, your passion, your purpose in life, whatever that is, you meditate and, ground yourself and find your motivation in that, and that is what you work towards. Whatever your purpose on earth is, that is what you work towards. Whatever gift that you have, if you do not use it, you will lose it. So if you have a great gift, take that and use it to help others. That is the best thing that you could do for the universe. That is the best thing that we could do for each other. We're all here living in the same universe. We're all getting the same 24 hours in a day. We need to come together and be ready for reception of abundance. Be ready for when that day comes, when the universe calls us home. So I hope that I helped you guys out in this video. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to say that mental health is real, and it is very important to work on your mental health. I hope that I helped you guys out in this video a little bit, and I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.